Germany, the early 1980s. A different kind of magic was happening in the German forests. The big series were becoming too expensive for the privateer. Fans didn't just want to see prototypes. They wanted to see the cars they parked in their own driveways, pushed to the absolute limit. In 1987, a group of passionate racers, led by Bruno Hoffler, Herbert Morant, and Martin Kleiner, decided it was time to give these cars a home. They founded the Berg-Cup. Their mission: to create a championship specifically for Group H vehicles. These were special touring cars, highly modified, wider, louder, and faster than anything seen in standard showrooms. Hillclimb racing has a storied tradition in Germany. At its peak in the 1970s, the calendar boasted over 90 events. Many racing drivers, unknown at the time, sought out the unique challenges of the mountains to hone their craft. The year is 1986. Environmentalists are calling for a total ban on all hillclimb races. They are calculating every drop of fuel burned, not just by the race cars, but by the thousands of spectators traveling to the events. The forest is dying, they cry. Motorsport in Germany has reached a breaking point.
The Group H Berg Cup. How did it all begin? My roots were actually in rallying, but 1987 started with a bombshell. The National Sporting Authority, known today as the DMSB, dropped a massive blow, decreeing that there would be no more championship rounds for Group 2 vehicles or hobby cars.
I was only a driver back then, but when the news broke about the vision for the Berg Cup, I was immediately fire and flame for it.
Available on 5th of April 2026 here on YouTube. Stay tuned.